How to get boarding pass on Xiamen Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your boarding pass on Xiamen Airlines. So how do you get your boarding pass? It's simple. The first step is to log in into your Xiamen Airlines account and then do an online check-in. So once you have visited the website, move to the top right corner, click on login. Once you're logged in and you're on your own page, just find your way to my trip session. Okay, click on it. As long as you are logged into your account, all of these details might not be required. All right, and the reason why they're asking for all of this for me is because I am currently a guest on this website. But if you are a bona fide member, you might not be required to fill in all of this information. So once you're on my trips page, select the flights that you would like to check in, click on the check-in option, and then once you've checked in, your boarding pass, the option to download your boarding pass will be available. Download it and then you can have it printed out. That is one major way. Then another way for you to get your boarding pass is by checking in at the airport. So if you prefer to check in at the airport, go to the designated check-in counters for the Xiamen Airlines, present your ID and booking information to the check-in agent, and then they will print your boarding pass for you. And then another step is by making use of the app. So download the Xiamen Airlines mobile app, log in and use the app to check in and access your boarding pass directly on your phone. So these are the various methods, the ways whereby you can get your boarding pass. But one thing you must know that one thing that is very consistent, which you must know, is that to get your boarding pass, you have to check in online. So check in, and then once you've checked in through any method, you will definitely get your boarding pass after checking in. So that's it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.